How to change your password on X Twitter account. After creating your X account, later you want to change your password. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. If this video helped you, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your X app, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and support and tap on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Continue to tap on settings and privacy. With this selected, proceed to tap on your account. This will land you on an interface like this with a bunch of options. In order for you to change your password, continue to tap on change your password. And there you are. You have to first enter the current password that you are using onto your X Twitter account. After that, then you enter the new password. Make sure it is at least 8 characters, and then you have to confirm it again. After that, then continue to tap on update password. That's it. You have successfully changed your X Twitter password. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.